It all begins in the sun-drenched orchards, where mangoes ripen to perfection.
Every mango is hand-selected to ensure only the best reach the plant.
Sorting begins at the orchard to separate the finest fruits from the rest.
Each load carries the promise of ripe, juicy mangoes ready for processing.
Transport is carefully managed to prevent bruising or damage.
The journey from farm to factory begins at the receiving dock.
Careful handling preserves the delicate skin and flavor of each mango.
Only fruits meeting strict quality standards proceed further.
Transport systems ensure a seamless flow from inspection to cleaning. A gentle yet thorough wash removes dust and field residues.
Drying prepares the fruit for safe handling during processing.
Precision checks guarantee only flawless mangoes are processed further.
Safety protocols detect any foreign objects, protecting consumers and equipment. Modern machinery peels each mango efficiently while preserving its integrity. Even after peeling, a careful hand ensures perfection. Precision slicing creates consistently sized pieces for packaging.
Even after automation, the human eye ensures top quality.
With harvest and preliminary processing complete, the mangoes are ready for the next stage. Temperature-controlled trucks preserve freshness as mangoes travel to the main facility. Every journey is timed to maintain peak ripeness and quality. Arrival at the processing plant marks the start of industrial transformation. Efficient unloading ensures no time is wasted once the mangoes arrive. Heavy machinery handles bulk transport while keeping fruits safe.
Conveyor systems create seamless flow from transport to storage. Cold storage preserves flavor and prevents spoilage before processing.
Digital tracking ensures every tray can be traced throughout processing.
Inside the facility, order and efficiency keep production flowing smoothly.
Each mango slice moves along the line, maintaining freshness and quality. Hygiene is paramount, ensuring each slice is clean before further processing.
Air drying prepares slices for precision cutting and packaging. And a final check ensures only perfect slices continue along the production line. Automation begins to enhance precision while preserving each fruital's integrity.
Machines ensure consistency in every mango slice.
Precision calibration guarantees uniform texture for consumers.
Every slice now moves into the heart of processing.
The core processing stage transforms raw slices into ready-to-package products.
Our state-of-the-art facility handles mangoes from arrival to dispatch with precision.
Each tray is recorded and tracked for efficiency and quality assurance.
Seamless entry into processing ensures freshness remains intact.
Strict security and quality checks maintain industry-leading standards.
Sanitation is crucial before slices move further into production. Human oversight complements automation for optimal results.
Controlled drying prevents spoilage and prepares slices for precision processing.
Only flawless slices move forward in the production line.
Precision machines ensure each slice meets exact standards before slicing.
Sorting ensures only the most uniform slices continue in production.
Human oversight guarantees consistency and quality.
Advanced machines detect imperfections beyond the human eye.
Grading ensures uniform slices for packaging and distribution. Every slice is meticulously checked for perfection.
Pre-core processing prepares slices for their final shape and texture.
Even minor imperfections are corrected before slicing.
Precision cutting creates perfectly sized mango slices ready for packaging.
Quality is confirmed at every stage before slices proceed further. Every slice now approaches its final form.
Cooling preserves flavor, texture, and color for the next stage.
Automation guarantees a consistently premium product.
Even after machinery, human eyes confirmed perfection.
Storage ensures mango slices retain freshness until final packaging. Temperature control protects both flavor and texture before the next stage.
Mechanical precision ensures smooth transfer to the processing line.
At the heart of the factory, mangoes undergo their key transformation.
A final human touch guarantees only premium slices proceed. Core processing enhances texture, ensuring every bite is perfect.
Controlled cooling locks in flavor and consistency.
Trimming ensures slices are uniform and visually appealing.
Even after machines, human inspection ensures top quality.
Precision weighing guarantees every pack meets strict standards. The finishing machine perfects slices for presentation and taste.
Human oversight complements machines, ensuring excellence in every slice.
Automation begins to wrap, seal, and prepare slices for delivery.
Each pack is sealed to preserve freshness and flavor.
Labels provide information and traceability for consumers.
Final checks ensure only flawless packs leave the line.
Controlled storage preserves taste and freshness before dispatch.
Careful stacking prevents damage during storage and handling. Mechanical precision ensures smooth transfer to shipment areas.
Conveyor systems streamline the final stage of delivery preparation.
Every pack is loaded carefully to maintain perfect condition. From orchard to factory, precision and care deliver the finest mango slices to the world.